Hey, Scott here. This is the Xenvo camera lens, and we're going to do a review of this today. And it comes in a nice little carrying case here with a hook. And when you open it up, there's quite a few things inside. And I really got this so I could get more out of my iPhone camera. It'll work for an iPhone and an Android. From here, here's the attachment. And this comes with a 15x macro lens, which is great for close-up photos of products and videos. And I'll show you that in just a moment. And it has a USB cord charger for this light that can attach right to your phone. And it has 3 different settings. I won't blind you with it. And then also you have the wide angle lens as well as the cap to cover it. Also comes with a nice little lanyard and a Xenvo cleaning cloth. And to show you how easy this is to use, I'm going to take my iPhone. You simply take this and you center it over the lens, and then you are ready to go. And right now, I'll show you right here if I want to get a really nice close-up of a product or a close-up photo or video. This will work great for that. And then what I really like is how simple it is to attach the wide-angle lens. There's the wide-angle lens attached, and now you have wide angle on your phone. It's really simple and easy to use, and what I like the most is the high quality construction of it. This is really heavy duty, and it's simple to take apart, put back in the case, and you have a camera lens ready to go. I highly recommend this one.